Hello. So I'm going to show you how to complete your first mandatory assignment of this week. So remember, since your class check-in is optional, you only have two mandatory assignments this week. You have this one, which you will complete a Google form. You're going to answer 4 multiple choice reading questions after watching these clips. And the last one is to do your SSR reading, which you'll complete towards the end of the week. Read for at least 20 minutes and complete your SSR slide and make sure you turn that in so I can see it. So your topic for your main assignment this week is the same as last week. We're going to continue it because most of you did a great job, but some of you could benefit from a little bit of a review. So the most important thing to notice is we're talking about comparing the structure. Structure does not mean content. Content is what it's about. Structure is how it is presented. A structure is a play, a movie, a TV show, an article, a book, a play, a poem. That is structure, not what it's about. So if your answer was something about how whatever it was about, that would not have worked. And you should make sure you go back and you look at the feedback that I gave you before you complete the assignment this week. But some of you all had really fantastic answers that I was so proud of. Some of you talked about how this transcript may not be as reliable because it's written down by listening to something, and someone could get that transcript wrong. That was amazing because you're talking about structure. Some of you all talked about how the video actually shows visual aids, visual examples of how the system actually works and how you thought that was very effective. So you all did amazing with that. And then most of you all did good with theme and main idea, but make sure you review the slide before you complete the quiz because a lot of you got the theme question wrong. You got it wrong because you forgot that theme has to be universal. If it has the name of anything in it, it's not the theme. It's not. So if it talks about China, it's not a theme because it doesn't apply to someone here. If it talks about a name of someone or the name of a system, it cannot be the theme because it's not universal. Remember, a theme has to do with big topics that apply to everyone, like love. Love lasts forever. That applies to every single person. But if it said love lasts forever for people in a certain country, of course that's not universal. So make sure you're picking the one that is universal. And then I'm going to tell you a little bit about these clips. So one of these clips is a documentary on Vice. Watch the whole documentary. And it's only 12 minutes long. You will do fine watching all of it. So make sure you watch all of it. There's a certain point where she's talking to someone who makes this system. And he says that it's like an episode of Black Mirror. And she says, oh, well, isn't that a horror show? Why would you be proud that it's like an episode of Black Mirror? So we will be watching some clips from the TV show Black Mirror. If you've never seen it, it is a TV show that is about what could happen in the future if our technology keeps going the way that it's going. So it looks at what could be possible for our future. These clips are very short. They're only divided up because that's the only way I could find them. They're only 2 minutes each, so make sure you watch the Black Mirror episodes. So these are fictional, which means that someone has created them. They're not real, right? But this, the documentary, obviously is nonfiction. It is real. So you can compare this documentary, which is this journalism, looking for the truth, with this Black Mirror, which is still really effective because it makes you think, oh, well, maybe this could happen to us in the future. So you're going to be comparing those two things. On the Google form, only for multiple choice. Try to get 100% on this. I know you guys can do it, and if you have any questions, let me know. That's it for now. Reach out if you need anything from me, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.